In this video I will discuss about the science of weight loss, tips and tricks for success. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of weight loss. We've all been there, trying to shed those extra kilos, but sometimes it feels like we hit a roadblock. But fear not. In this video, we'll be sharing some science-backed tips and tricks that can help you on your weight loss journey. Firstly, let's address the elephant in the room: calories. They are the building blocks of our food and energy. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. This can be done by reducing portion sizes or opting for healthier alternatives with fewer calories. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Next up is exercise. It doesn't have to be an Olympic sport every day. Just a daily stroll or a brisk walk for 30 minutes can boost your metabolism and help you burn additional calories. And don't forget, strength training is key to build lean muscle mass, which improves your metabolism too. Hydration is also crucial when it comes to weight loss. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day. And if you find that boring, try adding some fruits or herbs for some flavor variety. Pro tip: drinking water before meals can help control hunger pangs and prevent overeating. Finally, sleep is your friend in weight loss. Lack of sleep can lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for optimal results. In a nutshell, maintaining a calorie deficit while staying hydrated and getting enough sleep is essential for successful weight loss. So go ahead, put these tips into practice, and watch your body transform. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found these tips helpful and want more fitness content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on fitness and health. Stay fit and healthy, everyone.